Hey guys, Jack from Jetset Electrical here. Today we are upgrading this customer's switchboard. So we've got the electrical team here. We'll be carrying out the works for most of the day, relocating this switchboard out the front. So the first part of the process is disconnecting all this and then we'll be relocating everything out the front. Alrighty guys, so now that our switchboard has been disconnected, we're just joining all of our circuits and extending them to our new location.
So Taj and I are running in the new mains cable today. We've got our mains connection box up there, which we're starting from, and we'll run it down to the new switchboard location at the front of the house.
So the boys have just finished running in our new mains cable, which is suited to this new installation. We're about to start mounting our new switchboard enclosure and running in our circuits. Alrighty guys, we're all finished here. Thanks for following us on the switchboard upgrade. We've relocated it, everything's been tested in here and the customer's got power back on. If you guys have any questions or if you think you need your switchboard looked at, don't hesitate to give us a call.